Hello, I'm Mary T. Christian, known to many as Dr. C, and I'm pleased and honored to endorse and support the re-election of Sheriff B.J. Roberts in the city of Hampton. Sheriff Roberts has met and accomplished and even exceeded many of the goals and objectives set forth at the beginning of his term. Also, he has demonstrated outstanding leadership in the Hampton community. Many service projects developed and implemented, and many innovative programs for children, especially, and senior citizens in our community. When I was a delegate in the Virginia General Assembly, I was appointed as co-chair of the Standing Committee, Militia and Police. I had the opportunity to interact and to travel throughout the state. In doing so, I found that Sheriff Roberts was very highly respected throughout the Commonwealth and had been appointed to many leadership positions. He's also received many accolades and many awards. He's just a great sheriff, and I hope you will join me in supporting and casting your vote for Sheriff B.J. Roberts in the city of Hampton. Thank you.